Hello guys, this is Mabby CPJ here with the Numberblocks Magnetic Number Magic Set. Today, I'm reviewing the Numberblocks Magnetic Number Magic Set. It has 133 magnets, 52 activity cards, 1 magazine, plus 130 stickers. There's so much more to explore. So inside here, you've got a magazine, got some activity cards, you've got 2 sets of magnets. This one is for the number blocks, and for this one, you've got some objects. There's a bee, a jelly, a balloon, the moon, a rocket, a cloud, and much more. First, I'm going to show you the magazine. Let's go. The 3 easy rules of counting are 1. Count everything once. 2. Say the numbers in the right order. And 3. The last number you say is how many there are. So here we got the number blobs from 1 to 10. And then the colours just like the number blocks. I'm going to show you the 3 sheets of stickers in number order. So there's 1. So there's 2. And there's 3. Now I'm going to stick on the blobs. So there they are, and the numberlings. Now the numberlings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wonderful 1. 1 is coming into land on a world full of 1s. 1 is the first number. When we count, we always start with 1. So we can use our stickers. So be all of these ones. Got a box, a cow, a chimpanzee on a surfboard. But there's no water on here, unfortunately. But still good to stick. A cat, a football, a cake, a bucket, crown, a cap, a drum, a bee, and a fan. And here you can colour a tree, you can trace the number 1, and draw one special thing here for 1. Pairs at the fair. Use your arrow stickers to help 2 find all the pairs. You can use your magnets to build him here. So let's stick on the arrow stickers. So here they are. A pair of shoes. A pair of wings, a pair of buffet tables, a pair of elephants, a pair of kites, a pair of speakers, a pair of big wheels, and that's all of them. Here you can trace the number 2, and you can play pairs. You can use your magnets for this. Free's Circus. Join Free in her fun-filled show. So here you can colour Free, then stick on her eyes and mouth. I'll stick on her juggling balls. Here we can stick on 3 cartons of popcorn for each number blob. 1, 2, 3. Here we can stick 3 balloons. Red balloon. Orange balloon. Yellow balloon. Here you can trace the number 3 and stick on 3 rabbits. One rabbit. 2 rabbits. 3 rabbits. How many? 3. I am 4. Grab your stickers to make 4 in different shapes. So it's all of these ones here. I'm going to start with this one. Now this one. Next, this one. Next, this one. And finally, this one. And that's all the shapes. Now meet 4's favourite shape, which is a square. So you have to put on these ones to make 4's face. And you can trace around his favourite shape. Trace the number. There's squarey. 4's square quiz. Take 4 things that are square. All aboard! Choo choo! Let's go for a ride on the Numberblocks Express. Let's get the stickers. I'm gonna start with the sheep. Got 1 sheep. 2 sheep. 3 sheep. 4 sheep. And 5 sheep. And now the number blocks. Backwards, so there's 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And you can trace the windows on all the train's carriages and trace the numbers 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 to file, 1 to 5. So you got all about. So you got activities on 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And they're colouring in too. 1 is this many on the blobs. So colour 1 cake. 2 is this many. Colour 2 socks. 3 is this many. Colour 3 flowers. 4 is this many. Colour 4 little squares to make 1 big square. And 5 is this many. Colour 5 stars. Meet 6. Draw lines to match each number block to the right pattern on each dice. And trace the number 6. Number magic. Stick and write to finish these number sentences. You can trace the numbers 5, 4, 2, and 3. So you got plus and take away. So let's do them. So this is for page 16. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Now the takeaways. 6 minus 4 equals 2. And 5 minus 2 equals 3. Blockzilla. Help Blockzilla with these number puzzles. We've got less than, greater than, and equal to. And you can trace the numbers 9, 6, and 4. 9 is greater than 7. 6 is greater than 4. And 4 is less than 8. 1 and 1 are the same. Circle them both. 1 equals 1. Odds and evens. Find out what makes an odd and an even number. So you can get the stickers. So the evens have flat tops. And the odds have one block sticking on top. Which even number block comes next? 2, 4, 6. Which odd number block comes after 3? 1, 3, 5. Which odd number block comes next? 5, 7, 9. An even number can be split into 2 equal parts. Which number blocks make 6? 3. Now, I'm going to stick all the even numbers to count up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Big term. Write the missing numbers to show who's in big term's term. 1, 2, 3, yum, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yum, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yum, 8, 9, 10. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yum, 9, 10. It's 8. Let's play. Play these number games with 6. So the games are 1 to 6, and pick the number. You can colour the numbers from 1 to 6. Fact file. 6 to 10. So we can stick and colour the number blobs. So stick on 2 more blobs for 6. Colour all of 7's number blobs. That's the only one to be in colour. Stick on 2 more blobs for 8. Stick on 3 more blobs for 9. And 2 more blobs for 10. Double Trouble. And this is a sticker and a story page. And you can also use your magnets. So it's these ones. Seven's garden. Grab your pencils and colour Seven's colourful garden. So you can colour 7 butterflies, the flowers, trace the number, and use your magnets to make 7. 8 is great. The terrible twos are causing trouble for the number blocks. Look who's come to rescue. So you can use your magnets for this. And then we can stick on the parts to make Octoblock. The arms and legs are going to be tricky. And you can trace the number 8. 9's house. We get our stickers for this again. So it's these ones. Stick on a picture of 9 and 4. And the things in all of 9's rooms. In the bathroom, bathtub, bedroom, bed, playroom, ping pong set, guest room, number block 4, kitchen, got the drawers, dining room, the dining table, living room, chair on a blanket, in the hall, the grandfather clock, and the garage, the car. And trace the number 9. 10's friends. Meet 10, then make more like her. So to make 10, you could go 5 plus 5, 6 plus 4, 7 plus 3, 8 plus 2, and 9 plus 1. 10's 1 means 110, and the 0 means nothing more. Let's number block 0, and trace the number 10. And colour her 10 balloons. Peekaboo! So you got the lyrics to the song, based on one of the episodes. And you can see there's greater than, and less than, more, and fewer. And finally, you can make my weekly weather chart. So you can cut out these pictures of the weather. You can stick them on for all the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And that's the end of the Matic Play magazine. First, I'm going to show you the magnets. So these are the ones for the number blocks. I'll show you them one by one. Got some dice. Squarey and Big Tom. These ones. More numberlings. More number blocks. And the last one. And now, the activity cards. Okay, they all are. On the back, they're all the same, with the Numberblocks logo. But on the other side, they aren't. So like got activities. I'm going to show you them one by one. And that's all 52. First, I'm going to put on the magnets 1 to 3. And you can make different shapes with them too. Like that. Now, 4 to 6. Now I'm going to do 7 and 8. Finally, 9 and 10. You can also stick on Blockzilla in the middle. So you can see that 9 is less than 10. Now I'm going to build the Numberblocks train. Start with the 4 carriages. There it is. Choo-choo! I'm going to put 4 in a square here. And I'll put Squarey. Forward his pet. For 3, I'll stick on the juggling balls right over her head, so she's like juggling them. For 2, I'll put the shoes under his second block. Like he's dancing. And for 1, I'll just give her 1 apple. Now stick on some items. And the last one, a cloud. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video today. I want to ask for your help. Please help me pushing that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. And for the ones who has already subscribed to my channel, a massive thank you. See you next time. Bye.